Can you hold this quickly? And then show what Mama's doing? Yeah. Tell Tita and Tito what I'm doing.
So mommy is just fixing Celine is pram. See? So he's just doing something for it.
Well done, sweetie girl. Good vlogging. Yes, say hi to Tita na. Say hi to Tita. She's watching you. Alright, thank you. Thank you for saying hi. Where are you going tomorrow?
To my ballerina school.
Ballerina school.
But I went to my school already.
That's the
Yeah,
school.
that's the other school. Tomorrow is ballerina
Where do you
school.
go to school? When you go to school on Tuesday, where are you going to go on Tuesday?
Well done, sweetheart.
I love you.
I have my mitts.
Morning, babies.
Good morning.
Good morning. How about Celine? Good morning, Lainey. Good morning. How are you this morning, Ate Paris?
Good.
Good.
Yep.
Can you tell Tita and Tito where we're going?
With the sports and children.
No, you have to look at here when you say something. Come
I'm going to my new school.
on. What? Aren't you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't sound like it, honey. Are you really excited?
Yeah.
Good.
And look, I'm decorating the cat.
Decorating the cat. So, nabihisan ko na yan sila guys, lahat. Very early ang ating tour ngayon sa kanyang new school. Actually, hindi pa kami nakapag-enroll guys. Tour nga lang. Para if in case magustuhan namin yung place, yung school nila doon, then we go enroll Paris. And how about you? Do you wanna go with Ate Paris to school?
Yeah. Yeah.
She can go there, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Next door. I don't know. No, dun sila. I don't know if you can see. See the kids? They're running around. Diyan ka punta, nak. Nak, next door ka lang, nak. Oh, ilabay ta ka diha sa kuan, nak, luyo.
Mommy.
Mag-imo baka tagtulay.
I said, this, I said, it can go there.
You can't go there anymore because you're a big girl, so you have to go to a big girl school. Yeah?
That's a playhouse.
Yeah. Big school. So, ito siya, nakakain na pala to siya ng breakfast, guys. Sobrang aga nitong gumising, oh my goodness. So, I need to start going to bed early now kasi napakaaga nitong gumising, guys. Kasi, di ba, 8 o'clock ay natutulog na yan siya. Dinadala ko na yan siya sa bed. So, obviously, maaga din siyang gumigising. Like, 6, maybe 5 something. Nak na? And si Mami, hindi na nakakatulog after niyan. Big girl ni Mama. She's actually feeling better today, guys. Hindi na siya paiyak-iyak. I took her for a bath last night. And hindi pa rin siya na... guys, natatanggal. Ayoko naman siyang tanggalin ng paganyan kasi baka umiyak ba, sakit. Hayaan ko na lang na peel off by itself. What is it, my love?
Looks really great.
What is that?
This is a special cat.
Special cat. So what time is it now, Nak? Do you know? I don't know where my phone is, my love. Do you know where my phone is, Nak? Oh, here. Time check is, 9 o'clock, Jude. So, yung tour natin ay 10 o'clock. So, we're a bit early kasi we will just go walk. Malapit lang kasi dito, guys. Oh, mama, and first time ni baby Celine natin na sumakay sa kanyang pram na nakaupo. So, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit. So, ito yung pa-outfit ni mami niyo, guys. Naghilamos lang ako. Naglagay ng uy, bakit ang dilim? Naglagay ng cream sa aking kamukhaan. And, yeah, hindi na ako na makeup guys kasi hindi na naman kailangan. But, ito yung suot ko. So, I've got denim shorts, white, tank top. What's going on? Agay, gilabay man dahil mo na. Gilabay. Here you go. Very sleepy na to siya sa pagkasakay nito sa pram for sure. Makakatulog na to. Makakatulog na to. Oh yeah, okay, we're going now, okay? So yeah, and then itong aking blue na blazer. So very ano lang siya, casual lang ba? Then this is my bag. And maybe ganyanin ko na lang. So my bag for today. I love this bag, guys. Super lovely. Namiss ko na kasing mag-OOTD, guys. May ano na, Emily, yung aking lovely subscriber dyan, sabi niya na hindi na daw ako nakakapag-OOTD. So, now, I'm getting back to it. Kasi, magka-time na tayo ba?
A few moments later.
Hello, Princess Sleepy Kitty! Ayan, guys. I'm so excited for this. First time niyang makaupo ng ganyan. Kasi nga, diba, hinintay namin to. Nasa removalist yan. Bago lang dating. Kaya yun. Assembled it last night. And then, yes, have a look at the Paris as well. So, Daddy Mike put that thing here. So, ito yung binili namin sa Melbourne, guys.
So this is my spoon and my skateboard.
Yes, skateboard. Ayan siya. So, hopefully, we'll be fine. Kasi, I think it's a bit hilly sa road na yan. But yeah, we'll see. I think we can manage. We'll be fine, won't we, honey? We'll be fine. Super sleepy na yan siya. Oh. Ha, we'll sleep now, okay? We'll tilt your seat so you can fall asleep, okay?
I think you sleep when you're just walking. You'll sleep later.
Yes, she will. You will, won't you? Maybe, nak, get out a little bit, nak. I'll get your head out. Like that. Because I have to tilt the seat. Can you hold this quickly? And then show what Mama's doing? Yeah. Tell Tita and Tito what I'm doing.
So mommy is just fixing Celine is pram seat. So he's just doing something for it.
Well done, sweetie girl. Good vlogging. Ayan, so nakatilt na yan siya. Then we'll just close that, which is very dirty, guys. Oh, hindi na kasi namin ito nagamit eh.
My that's
Just
good.
wash it.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Hold tight.
Okay, I'm holding tight.
Yeah. Maybe you don't need to put your head in, anak. Take your head out. Oh, careful. There you go. And just like that. Okay? We'll see how it works. First time. So, ito yung daan namin, guys. Pababa, pataas, at paikot-ikot pa. Ayan. So, see? Mamaya, pag pataas, good luck.
Oh, see?
Good luck sa imong mama, nak. Hala. Sa kawan. Ang hirap na merong ganito, guys. Oh. Sabi ko nga ka Ate Paris, just standing there later pag she's tired na. Ayan siya. Relax. I'm so excited for you, my love. Hindi siya mukhang excited eh. Very sleepy na yun eh. Hindi ko i-close kasi sobrang init.
Want to go.
Ate! Come on.
A few moments later.
Yes, say hi to Tita na. Say hi to Tita. She's watching here. Alright, thank you. Thank you for saying hi. Dito lang sa street na to. Okay.
37 Queen Street.
Oh, lovely. We're neighbors. Sige, see you around. Thank you for saying hi. Oh, that's so exciting, sweetie girl.
What Tita said.
Tita. Huh?
What Tita said.
Tita said she subscribed to our channel already. Oh my god, that is so exciting. Wait, I'm having goosebumps. Oh my goodness, I'm having goosebumps. Ala. Oh my god, guys. So we were crossing the road. Stop kami doon sa gilid, guys. Kasi may sasakyan na paparating. Tapos sabi niya ganun. Sabi diretso daw. So nagdiretso kami, guys. And you know what? Like, Tinawag niya ako, sabi niya, ate. Ate, tapos, nashock ako, sabi niya, nakapag-subscribe na ako sa'yo. Oh my God, iiyak ako. Iiyak na yan. It's so cool. Kasi alam niyo ba, dito lang din siya nakatira, the same street. So, magkapitbahay pala kami. Oh my goodness. Seriously, my heart. Alam, bakit ako naiiyak? Na-excite lang ako bigla, guys. Kasi alam niyo yun. Kaya nga, sabi niya, pag nakapag-subscribe na daw siya, nag-ano ako, sabi ko, can I video this? So, vlog ko siya. Kahit nasa sasakyan siya. So, alright, my love. Let's keep going, sweetie girl. I'll put you on that one up there, okay? It's very hard at the moment now because we're going downhill.
What's those?
That is papaya. I think.
What?
Gabi papaya.
Papaya.
Kapayas.
Papaya though.
Kapayas.
Jadura.
Nak, how do you feel, Nak? How do you feel, Nak? Tita said, I've subscribed to your channel already. You're Paris. She knows you. Wow. Ate Paris, bye. This Tita knows her, bye.
My teacher.
We're only neighbors, Nak. There, Nak. Oh, she lives there, Nak. Oh. Yeah. So we might bump into her again. Yes, Anna.
Can we go in her house later?
Yeah, okay.
Why, look.
Next time.
Come over here. Come over here. Look. What's like that in the bush?
Oh yeah, I don't know what that is, Nak. Do you know what it is, guys? Kita ba? This one. I don't know, Nak. Some kind of fruit. It's good na maaga kami umalis, be. Kasi anong oras na? 9:30. Nandyan lang naman, oh. Kasi ito siya ay stop kayo. Tingin-tingin ng mga
Ma, I
nasa
think that's
kapaligiran.
an onion.
Onion?
Yeah.
I don't think so, my love. It doesn't look like an onion at all.
Or a radish.
What was it?
Or a radish.
A radish? Oh wow, I don't even know what radish looks like.
Or a lemon.
Ganda ng bahay na to, guys. Oh, very beachy
Mommy.
feels. Yes, Nak.
Mommy on the top.
Yeah?
But when I go up there, I can go on the skateboard now.
Yeah, we're going up there, Nako. We're nearly there. No, it's not Celine's school. It's your school.
It looks like it, yeah?
Yeah. Are you excited? She's guys, I'm so excited for my first day. Okay. We're in here now. We just have to find out. Oh, this is the one. Tulog na pala ang ating baby Celine.
A few moments later.
Wow.
How did you go, Paris? Did you like the school? Yes? So preschool na yun, guys. Like, preparing Paris for her schooling. Yung school na talaga next year. So, yeah. Did you join in with their yoga?
Yeah.
So, nag-yoga sila doon sa loob.
You have to flip on that.
Huh?
If you want big candy, you have to flip back like this and hold your back.
Yeah.
And you have to
What did you do?
yeah.
What did you do, anak? Papa, what did they do?
Kick, kick, kick.
Nagising siya, guys, kasi kailangan kong i-carry ba? Kailangan kong i-carry. Nagising tuloy. Alright. Police station is here. Did you like your teacher, na?
Yeah,
So, yeah, Daddy Mike and I will talk about it tonight. Kasi kailangan naming i-decide kung anong araw si Paris pupunta. At the moment, yung availability nila is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, walang Wednesday. But yeah, they told me pag Tuesday daw, may swimming class sila. Pag Thursday, meron silang Japanese class. Pag Friday, meron silang yoga, like today. It's Friday. So, Daddy Mike and I will discuss kung ilang araw ang aming ititake for Ate Paris. And what's really nice about it, guys, is very, very close to us. And they're open, sabi ni Ate, they're open from, well, yung center, yung kung saan sila yung parang class ba, ganun, from 9, pero we can bring Ate Paris in from, kasi 6:30 daw mag-open yung center nila.
I really reached this one.
Yeah, because you're a big girl. Big girl. Yeah. So, I'm super excited for that, guys. Sabi nila, if, we decide daw na sa kanila i-enroll si Paris, then will send us the paperwork on Tuesday. Tapos, we just have to fill it out. And then, Paris can start the week after.
Mommy, look, I can.
Yeah. She loves being outside, guys. You know that. She's very social. She loves having friends. Sa bahay kami lang. Wala siyang
Okay.
Yeah. It's good as well, because she has to learn things. Kung mga basic lang naman, guys, we know that she's, pretty good with that.
This one.
Yeah, you have to eat more, my love. Silini! Silini! Hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa loob, guys, kasi it's very, private yung mga ganyan. Especially, may mga kids. So, no. What's this street? Agnes Street.
A few moments later.
This pink blue spot.
Let's go. Ito yan niya. Gusto niyang bumili.
This is mine.
Is it your favorite?
Yeah, my favorite. I really want to get
Dito
one
kami
of
ngayon
this.
sa chemist, guys.
I really want to get one of this and pay my nose home.
Ay, okay. You can have that one.
Yay.
Kasi akala ko meron silang laruan dito kay Celine. Yung ba? Careful, ate. You're welcome. See, I think meron silang tubig dito. It's very hot outside. So cool inside the house. And how's that? Is it cute?
Yes,
It's a card.
I love the thing.
Dito lang kami sa street namin na main street malapit dito sa amin, guys. Lakad-lakad. You have to get water, anak.
Wow, gummies.
No, gami.
Well, I love gummies.
Nandito kami sa park. Dinala ko ang ating baby girl dito habang natutulog pa ang ating baby Celine. Hindi to siya malayo sa amin, guys. Like, literally 2 streets lang ata. Alam nyo ba, when we were here March 2021, dito sa Brisbane, nagbisita kami. Pumunta kami dito kasi, diba, I mentioned to you na this is the only place na binisita namin when we were here last time. And we ended up here. So, parang meant to be talaga. So, pumunta kami dito sa park na to. And see? Who would have thought? Ang ating Ate Paris ay dito din maglalaro.
A few moments later.
Ang dress ng ating Ate Paris ay very short na, guys. So, lumalaki na talaga siya ba? Na, can you remember what we got here last time? With Tito Anthony? And Nanay Christine?
Oh yeah, ice cream.
What?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Well done.
I want to get ice cream.
Not later, after our dinner lagi. Tumidilim na, guys. Dito kami sa park. Tingnan nyo ang dalawa, oh. Ang ating baby Celine ay nandito. She's loving her seat. Ganda ng kanilang park dito, guys, oh. Malawak. Sobrang daming mapagpipilian na paglaruan ba. We're home now. Naglalaro pa itong dalawa. Ito siya. Papatulog ko na to siya ngayon. Padede ko na yan. Makakatulog na yan. Kasi nakatulog na yan siya sa sasakyan eh. Nagising ng nilabas ko. And this one, as you can hear, niready ko ang may tubig. Nagready ako ng bath para makapag-bath. Ito siya. Oh my God, I'm having a headache, guys. A headache sa namin niya. Phone lang yung gamit ko kasi alam niyo ba, naiwan ko sa sakyan yung aking camera. Ito isa pa iyak pero pag nandito ang kanyang ate
Put it under your finger.
Uy, not too loud enough.
I think the best is ready.
Not yet. I'll tell you when it's ready. Gentle ate. Oh, dami rin mo.
She's gonna win, I'm gonna lose. I win.
Say, I'm sorry, ate. I didn't mean it, ate. I didn't mean it, ate. Look, did you tell Daddy the story now? Here's my little helper. Doing well, my love. She just had mango. Oh. Good job.
Why? Can you get the jello? I don't want jello.
No more? Finish now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me jello.
I told you it's not gonna be like jelly straight away. You have to wait until tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Okay. Good.
Can you get the jello?
Of course.
Did you make it yet? No.
We'll make it together.
Oh my. That's just watching you. We can make it with you and me.
Yeah, just you and me.
Yeah, because Dad's watching.
What do you know?
I know doing this.
I tell Tita and Tita what you're doing.
I'm making jelly.
What is it?
It's jello.
Jello. Jello.
My ring.
Okay. So we have to follow the instructions now. Empty contents of 1 sachet into a heat-proof bowl and add 1 cup of boiling water. Stir and dissolve well. Add 1 cup of cold water and stir. Chill until set minimum of 4 hours. So put it in the fridge like you.
Wow, I'm gonna make a lot. My look, it's cracking. And that's another one too.
Okay. That's it. Alright. So put that in the bowl.
My cake inside now.
Of course. Okay, just one naman na. Just one. Can do the other one next time. Good job.
Wow.
Oh, well done.
So shimmery.
Shimmery?
Yeah, it got sprinkles.
Okay, and then add 250 ml of boiling water. Okay, so Mama has to boil water. Okay.
Fire water, and that's what it does. Okay?
Okay.
I want to boil it.
Yeah, hang on. I'm just boiling water. Then we can do the mixing.
No, I want to do the one in the mixing.
Yeah, I will put the water here and then I'll let you put it. There's nothing yet. Uy! There's nothing yet. Meron na guys. Oh. Hindi na lang yet. I'm still boiling the water.
Dad, I'm making jello. Look.
Can I watch?
Yeah, first. don't have to put these rings. It looks so cute.
Cute.
It looks like sprinkles in it.
Sprinkling.
Sprinkling?
You got jello, baby?
No, babe. You have to put some boiled water.
Yeah, I put the bottle away, baby. I put jello in it.
But there's no water. I was tipping it and I started putting water in here. There's no water. So,
She was like this, isn't it? There's no water.
Ah, I know what it means by heat proof.
So it can withstand the heat without melting. It's like soundproof, Babs. There's no. We were trying to figure out, guys. I know
You got a kiss again?
I know heat proof.
Give that a kiss again?
now.
Give that a kiss one more?
Now.
Kiss Daddy's nose. I love you.
It looks really sandy.
Can't wait now.
I can't put water.
It's boiling. Can't you hear?
Oh yeah, it's hearty. How many minutes?
2 minutes, maybe.
2 minutes?
And then tomorrow when we wake up,
I have to eat the jelly now.
What else is gonna happen when we wake up?
It's gonna be it's jelly.
Paris is going to.
And it's gonna be jelly.
Where are you going tomorrow?
To my ballerina school.
Ballerina school.
But I went to my school already.
That's the
Yeah,
school.
that's the other school. Tomorrow is ballerina
Where do you
school.
go to school? When you go to school on Tuesday, where are you going to go on Tuesday?
Well, dancing, huh?
I love you.
And how many minutes?
It's finished now, my love.
I'm so excited when it does. We're so
Hang
hot.
on. So put 250 ml water. Boiling water. That's a lot, then, yeah?
Well, 240 is what Paris was supposed to drink.
Okay. So. All right.
Really yummy. Let's see what happens. Yeah, buddy.
Okay. So do you want to do it? Just be
You gonna
careful.
Spin it?
Yeah, take it up, please, Daddy.
No. Mummy, it's boiling. What are we doing?
What?
Oh, I thought you got to let it do it by itself.
No.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Heavy.
Break it up. Yeah.
Okay, now you have to stir it now. Be careful because it's hot, okay?
Just softly.
You have to stir it and dissolve well. Wow.
It looks really cool.
Keep
Do it
going.
properly now. Hold the thing properly.
Yeah. Get all of that. Get all of the powder out.
It looks really cool.
Okay.
How many minutes is gonna be finished?
We have to wait until tomorrow now. When we wake up in the morning, that's when we check the fridge and see if it's set properly.
Oh, it's jelly.
Yeah.
Oh,
Are you excited?
yeah, I wanna go down now.
Yeah, okay.
Good night. Good night.
Good night. We will say good night now, guys. Hindi ko na pakita ang aking mukha kasi oh my goodness. I look so haggard over so sana. So, thank you for watching today's video, everyone. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good.
Okay, careful. Bye. Bye.